this, we got a little boa. Hi, buddy. Isn't he gorgeous? Look at him. He's so pretty. Should we just keep him? All right. Should we go let you go? Should we go let you go? You're just a little baby. Colombian redtail, and there's no venomous snakes on Utila. This is our biggest snake. They can get pretty big, and we see them every once in a while, a couple of times a year. So to find one, a little one like this, is super cool. Hi, buddy.